Share, you said. Oats recipe. Easy breakfast, chat gapped said. Chat gapped. Here's a simple and nutritious oats recipe for a quick breakfast. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 2 cups milk or water for a lighter version. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup optional for sweetness. A half teaspoon cinnamon optional. Toppings: fresh fruit, banana, berries, nuts, almonds, walnuts, seeds, chia, flax, or dried fruit. Instructions: cook the oats in a medium saucepan. Bring the milk or water to a boil. Add the oats and reduce the heat to medium-low. Stir occasionally and let it simmer for 5-7 minutes until the oats have absorbed most of the liquid and become soft. If you prefer creamier oats, cook for a bit longer. Add flavor. Stir in the honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and sprinkle in the cinnamon if desired. Top your oats. Once the oats are cooked, pour them into a bowl and add your favorite toppings: fresh fruit, nuts, and seeds. Add texture and nutrition. Serve. Enjoy your oats hot, and feel free to adjust the toppings based on your preferences. This recipe is easy to customize, and you can add any other spices, sweeteners, or ingredients you like to make it your own.